Good morning, guys. So right now it's about 12 o'clock, and I just got up. I usually set my alarm around 12ish because I will probably sleep all day because I go to bed around 3 or 4 a.m. right now. Probably not the best for my schedule, but it's just happening right now. So I'm just gonna roll out of bed, kind of like check my phone a little bit, and then I'm gonna take you guys with me to see, not really my morning routine because I already did that, but just a little vlog to my normal stay-at-home day. So being that I'm vlogging, it kind of makes me more aware of things that I don't do that I probably should do, but I don't know, like normally, like you see this bed, like it's unmade. Like I don't make my bed, I don't want to make my bed, but like because I'm vlogging, I'm like, oh my god, I should make my bed. I should make the bed, but I'm just gonna get the real me. Okay, so it's a little while later. It's about 1:49. I spent most of the morning in bed. Not even the morning, the early afternoon in bed. All I was doing was on my phone most of the time. I don't eat until later. I'm not like a breakfast person. Like I will eat breakfast foods, I will eat breakfast, but like when it comes to eating right when I get up or things like that, it just like doesn't sit well with my stomach. So let's get to cooking though, because I'm ready for that. We're gonna make some food. I just don't know what I want to make yet. I'm wondering if I want to make eggs or raisin bread with cream cheese. I'm feeling the eggs with like some peppers and things like that. I'm literally not a cook at all, but like I can make stuff for myself, you know, as long as I can survive, then we're good. Then we're good. All right, let's get to cooking. I need some butter. So we went to Trader Joe's and we bought a good amount of stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna cook with, Trader Joe's stuff, because that's where it's at, man. I don't know where the small pan went. I don't want to make eggs in this giant skillet, but I guess I'm gonna have to. Beautiful. Okay. Turn this on. Well, that's good. So let me tell you, at my house, I have gas. So this whole electric stuff is the most annoying thing ever. Like I really hate electric. Cause it like takes forever to heat up your pan. And it like doesn't cook how you want it to cook. It's making this weird buzzing sound. Yo, everything today for me is making this weird buzzing sound. Like it's this and it's my phone. Something's gonna let's not say that about the oven. Oh my god, I'm gonna. Alright. So it's finally heated after a million years later. Alright, so we're gonna add some butter. Sometimes I forget to add butter and then it just doesn't anymore. I think I'm gonna do like a scramble like I did before, but make it like 10 times better, because I did it a couple days ago and it was not good. Jesus. Oh my god, yo, so bad. Somebody want to cook eggs for me? Actually, I haven't cooked for myself in such a long time, and then I started and I'm like, wow, I'm not that bad. People need to have faith in how good I could cook. Wink. Wink. Alright, let's get my salt and my garlic, because you gotta salt them up. So, okay, so I need to scramble them. Ah. Oh my god, where's that thing? Okay. Oh my god, it's over there. Okay. Alright. Let's put this lower. Off the heat for 1 second. My peppers. So, probably should maybe put the peppers first, but it's fine. I know that I could like scramble the eggs and stuff like that, but I'm just like, I'm fine with just like throwing it all in there. Like, it doesn't really matter to me. Okay, this is how it's looking so far. It's out of 5.5. Like lightly steam it so that the frozen vegetables are not super freaking frozen. Do I know what I'm doing? No. And especially when I'm by myself and I'm cooking, I'm really proud of it. Like yesterday I made a stir fry and it was actually really freaking good. Well, alright, it's a little wet, which is good because I do not like dry eggs. But let me just steam it a little bit longer and I think we're good. Whatever, I guess. Wow, this smells really good. Alright, your girl is done. Yo, it actually is really freaking good. Look at me, gourmet chef over here. So it's like 3:45 right now. Been chilling on my phone way too much. So now I'm just gonna wash my dishes. I'm gonna take the stuff out of the dishwasher and then I'm gonna get ready, put stuff together. I'm gonna make it tonight. And yeah. So it's time to get ready. It's like almost 5 o'clock. It's not good, but it's okay. I'm gonna pick out an outfit. Nothing crazy, just chill. And then I'm gonna do my hair and my makeup and we'll see how that goes. Alright, so I'm all ready. Something super cozy that I'm wearing. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I just wanted to give you a little insight on my day-to-day life. It's probably a little boring for you guys, but I like watching vlogs, so I hope you guys like watching vlogs. And I just wanted to do a little at-home vlog for you guys today. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs up this video, subscribe down below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!